Want to that one?
Yeah?
Want to that one?
Yeah, if it's really good, get it. Yeah? Huh?
This one's not bad.
Okay. So these are some of the products. This is a good brand. Those here. This is good. It's 15 grams of protein here. Then here's this one. Pumpkin spice everything. So this is called the cinnamon broom, and it has a very, very strong smell. Cinnamon. Wow. What do you do with this? So it's, I have no clue what this is, but it's a tall broom like this. Yeah, wow. First time I'm seeing that one. Massive. Really massive. Really massive pumpkins here. These are all the wonderful different types of pumpkins that we got. These are different shapes and sizes this year. There's a little white one as well. I like some of the small ones too. Sometimes we give it as little gifts, to people, if they come just to decorate their homes and stuff. So I'm loving this pumpkin collection. We don't exactly eat them after it's really decorative. Some of the bigger ones we carve and stuff. So I'm really loving this collection.